My name is Chelsea Gorgeous. You're welcome. You can see, and this head I'm wearing is from Alipe, and this is their hairband wigs. This is a coily wig that they sent to me. By the way, this video is sponsored by Alipe. So if you want to see everything about this wig, the wig is gorgeous. Yes, it's coils. You can see them popping. If you want to see everything about the hair, how I style this wig, this hairband wig from Alipe, keep on watching, and I'm going to leave all the information on the description box about all the information about the hair on the description box. Their website, they're on Facebook, their Instagram, they're on YouTube, and if you use their discount code ALIPE YouTube, you will get $10 off your purchase. All right guys, without wasting time, let's move ahead to this video, the unboxing of this hair, this gorgeous hair you can see right here. Okay guys, let's move on. All right.
You think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in.
Then it came with another wig bag. You can see, I like it, which means it's two. They put two, this one and the one they put the wig. That is good. And this card that they have all the instruction about their hair. So in this card they wrote how to wash your wig, how to clean, how to care, how to comb, and how to dry the hair. Everything is written on this card. And this is the wig. The wig is 24 inches. You can see size cap is medium. You can see 24 inches, and cap size is medium. This is the wig. Came with this net, so if you like you can wet it. This is the coils, well defined and beautiful. So you can wet it, you can add mousse to it to define the coils the more, but I'm not going to do that today. So you can bleach it as well if you want. You can bleach the hair. So it came with a strap here at the back here, and came with clips. You just pop this on, 2 at the back and 3 in front. And this is the inside of the wig. Can see, and this is the hairband that is attached to the wig. That is it. I so much like this wig. You guys know I have been doing so many revealing, so many of these wigs. Like I said, these wigs, you don't need to do anything. You just snatch this on and you're good to go. I want to tell you guys about the quality of the wig from their website, what they said about the wig. The hair material is 100% human hair, and the color of the wig is natural black. Other colors can be customized as your request. In their website they can customize for you as your request. If you request for other colors, maybe you want ombre color, any color you want, you can request on their website. They can customize for you. Then also they have from 10 to 30 inches on their website. This one, the one I have with me here, is 24 inches, but in their website they have from 10 to 30 inches. Okay, the hair texture is coily. This one is coily, and the hair density is 180 density. All right, and the cap size, medium cap size, with adjustable straps at back. Yes, that's what I showed you guys. It has an adjustable straps at the back, and can be dyed. Yes, the hair can be dyed. You can change the hair color to whatever color that you want. If you want to dye it, you can dye this hair. There is no problem about that. Then customize. This is a customized product. The custom time is 2 to 5 weeks days. In case if you want them to customize a wig for you, it will take them 2 to 5 days. When you order, their delivery time normal by FedEx, they deliver by FedEx or UPS, which is UPS. They call it UPS here in France. I don't know, it's UPS. Then the time of delivery, the days of delivery is 2 to 5 working days. It will arrive after shipping. 2 to 5 working days after shipping, it will arrive. Like I said, they deliver by UPS, which is UPS, and they deliver by FedEx as well. So their services, wholesales, they did on wholesales as well. If you sell wigs or you want to sell, you can command from there, you can order from them. They sell wholesale, and I'm sure it's wholesale price as well. They give you wholesale price. Then they say wholesale stroke drop shipping, OEM, customized labels. They can customize your own label. Like for example, if you sell wigs, you want them to customize, to put the name of your brand on your wig for you. The ones you order as wholesale, they can do that for you, which is good. So in case if you're selling wigs, you want your wigs to be customized, you can just contact them. So I'm going to leave their contact, the link to their website on the description box. If you're watching me, you are a hair dealer, you want them to produce hair for you, customize wigs for you, and to use your own label, they can do that. You can just contact them and everything will be done as you want. Okay, they accept return. But mind you, you cannot just go and wear the wig and you tell them that you want to return the wig. When the wig is not used, yes, you can return it and they will accept it. Let me finger comb it to see if it will shed. Little shedding, shed very little. Don't have any smell, no smell add to it. That is perfect, because I know some hair have some bad odor, bad smell. This one is good. So that is it. Without wasting time, that is all about the wigs. Let me show you guys how I will slay this wig. I told you guys this hairband wig, it doesn't take time to install. If you are in hurry, maybe you are late, you are like, oh, I'm late, you want the time to do all those frontal, glue them down, you don't have that time. This one is just snatched on and you are good to go. You just go, you just wear it like that. You just wear your wig. You don't need glue, you don't need anything, and that is it. That is all you need to do. No other magic. Okay, this hair is very, very fast to install. Under 1 minute you are done. So without wasting time, let me stop talking and install this wig for you guys to see. Okay, you can see this is the length of the hair. So I'm just going to take this backward. You can see the length, 24 inches, and this is long, coily hair. Wow, this is so long. Let me take it to the back. So beautiful. Like I said, if you want the coils to define the more, I want to show you something. I just want to put this for coily. This is for coily hair. You see that? You see that? You see the way it defines the coils the more. Wow! Oh! I never want to add this before. I just say let me do this and see. You can see how defined the coils are. Let me put again. This is what I'm using in case. So I just put that here, just little. I don't want much, just little like this.
I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you, wish me the best.
So the name of the company, I don't know if I have called the name of the company since. The name of the company is Ali Pear Hair. So this hair is from Ali Pear Hair.
You're making me nervous. No, I realized.
Oh gosh! All right, guys.
And then maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret.
Guys, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself with this hair. This hair from Ali Pear. I'm feeling myself. I need to snap. Okay.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel.
How gorgeous is this? How gorgeous? How gorgeous? How gorgeous is this? Just look at this. Guys. Let me tell you guys, anytime I'm revealing all these hairband wigs, I'm so happy. I'm so happy because they are so beautiful, very easy to install. You don't waste time. That is one thing that I really like about them. You don't waste time. And this one from Ali Pear, oh, you can see the coils. Gosh, see the length of this hair, 24 inches, and it's long like this. You can see the quality of the hair. Oh, let's talk about the quality of this hair. For once, let's talk about the quality. You see this? I'm feeling myself with this hair. Wow. See the volume of this hair. See the volume of this hair. Use that scarf to wrap my hair, to wrap the hair around. That's what you see. Okay, is that scarf. All right, you can see you can just tie this hair whichever way you want it. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this hair. Ooh, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this hair from Ali Headbands. Alright guys, let's move on. You can see all of them are gorgeous. All the hairband that came with the wig is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Just look at this one. This is beautiful. Ooh. Just look at this one. This is beautiful. Yes, darling. Yes, darling. This is so beautiful. So guys, that is it for this hair review this week from Ali Pear. I'm going to leave all the information about the hair on the description box. The hair is affordable. They are of good quality. Yes, okay. And this is carry and go. You don't need to do anything. You just snatch this wig on and you are good to go. All right guys, so I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, and you can follow them. They are on Instagram, they are on Facebook, they are on YouTube, I think so. And when you use, there's a code. When you use the code Ali Pear's come here guys. So guys, when you use the code Ali Pear's YouTube, you will get $10 off your purchase, and that is nice. Yes, don't hesitate to use that code to get that $10 off your purchase. The code is Ali Pear YouTube. I'm going to leave all the information about their website on the description box, so you check that out. Grab this opportunity. This $10 is big. Just grab it with the code Ali Pear YouTube. You will get $10 off your purchase. $10, $10. Okay, $10. All right guys, that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. All right, thank you Alipes for sponsoring this video. I appreciate, and I will see you guys very very soon. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and click on that bell icon. Support your girl, okay? Support your girl by clicking on that like button. I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Ciao.